So coming on to some tips for parents, we should ensure adequate water intake when we give foods and increase the water intake if the stools are hard. Avoid juices, as fresh fruits in the mashed or pureed forms are more nutritious, they have more fiber content, and they retain more of their other benefits. Sucking fruit pulp through strainers is not encouraged, again, because it's a developing teeth, and the longer any food stays in contact with the teeth, it's not good for the baby. Focus on dental hygiene with attention to dental care from the early stages. Start reducing milk intake in balance and increase the solids as it goes on. So some baby-led weaning is to be encouraged. Some parents are fixated on baby-led weaning as a whole. This is a bit challenging, but obviously a baby-led component definitely adds flavor. It encourages the child's participation, helps them to progress better. So introduce foods like cooked carrot slices, cucumber slices, cheese slices at age-appropriate forms. And if you are going to give biscuits, for example, give age-appropriate biscuits. The normal biscuits we eat are not appropriate for the babies because they have the normal sugar, and processed foods are not good for the digestive system and encourage constipation. Remember that these foods like biscuits make them not to feel hunger, so this may lead to a cycle of picky eating. Avoid being too rigid, encourage experimentation, and avoid forcing to finish. We'll be mentioning these again with the picky eating. Avoid giving some texture, same texture. I mean, if you give ready-made foods every time, the texture of the food, the flavor of the food doesn't change at all, because these are pre-packed and they have a consistent taste. But when we make at home, the taste keeps changing. So it's important that parents are encouraged to give different sources of food, not just outside ready-made food. Delaying introduction of granular or chopped food beyond 9 months may lead to reluctance to move beyond pureed food. So this is a common complaint. My baby doesn't want to take anything more than pureed food, and this happens because they have delayed introduction. So weaning advice should include all this at an earlier stage, so we can avoid picky eating later on. Avoid compensating with milk. So many parents don't wait for the child to complete a meal, or they have picky eating children. They start giving milk instead of the solids, and this pattern doesn't change. So you have to stick with a consistent approach. Child may refuse in the beginning, but if you don't give in and give milk, they will still take the foods. Avoid food as a reward. This is applicable to any age. And eating together or sharing from your plate encourages them to try new textures and consistency.